I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to cook the bok choy. So what I'm gonna do is put all of the bok choy facing in the same direction. Get all the bok choy. I'm gonna put it all down in the pot at the same time. Alright, when you cook the bok choy, you want to cook the bottom parts first because they're the most firm part of the plant. So technique is to boil the bottom right here. Just stand them up in the water and let them boil. Right now I have it on high. I'm just trying to get the water hot. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil them for about 4 minutes, and then I'm going to turn the heat off. And then I will saute them in a skillet with some oil and some garlic. Alright, so in the skillet I've got some walnut oil here. I'm gonna throw in some garlic. You can add as much garlic as you like. I like a lot of garlic. A lot of garlic. And once the garlic becomes aromatic, what you're going to do is you're going to add this bok choy. Okay, so my garlic is becoming very aromatic. I'm going to go ahead and put my bok choy in. And I've got my oyster sauce right here. I've got a video for oyster sauce. I'll link in the description box the video. You're good. And you can take this out and plate it.